Like a whiteout snowstorm, and too many people don't want to drive today. This is what I would say is more so like the first actual snowstorm this year. Like in the sense of like the winter season. This is probably like the worst it's been to me, which is not bad. I don't know why this guy's really slowing down. He's got winter tires on. And he's double lining. People can't drive, man. Two lane, bro. Look, look. Lining again almost. Can't drive, man. Scared to drive, get off the highway. Wow! That just fucking basically almost took me out there. Woo! It was like 10 already today. This is crazy. Huge accident in the morning. And then I got a photo, I'll put it in. It's like the only photo I already got of it. And then, wow. And now I'm in traffic with people again. And then probably from here on out, it's going to be like just like slow boaters. We're already doing 90. Almost 80. Like another guy there and that Subaru almost lined her over. Woo! It's an older gent that was in that Subaru. We got another 14 minutes to my destination. Not bad. Can I get around him? Yes, I can. It's not bad. Like, visibility is still a good fair distance away. A lot of people just braking, and there's no real need to just brake. Just let your car engine brake down. That's all you really need. Sorry for the squeaky noise on the windshield wipers. I should let it build up a little bit more before I do it, but the video is, I want it to be as clean as possible. And I'm a very safe driver, especially driving like the company truck. I really like take my time to really judge if I can fit in certain spots. But other than that, pretty good. You know, knock on something wood. Guess my head. And this will make a pretty good little video, and there'll be, you know, lots of close calls in this one, and lane splitters. Be a good little video. I don't know what's around that truck, so I'm not gonna really go around him. Looks fairly clear here. And driving a rear-wheel drive pickup truck, just gotta kind of feather that throttle a little bit, because you don't want to let it hook on the snow and then slip, especially getting over doing lanes. You want to keep the little bit of pressure on the throttle, not too hard, maybe about 6-7%. Ooh, this guy, he's not even that, like, he's wiping already. Laning. This guy's a laner. I'm gonna start doing videos like this, like every day, like vlog video kind of things. Driving, you know, see, you know, what people like. But yeah, I should have been doing this from the start of the year, because man, I see some serious stuff on the roads, and a lot of times I don't even like save it on the camera and record it. But like every day, there's like sometimes like 5 or 6, 7 real good ones, and I'm like, look, again, the guy did another lane. Like, he can't drive. Like, it's like he's driving drunk, or he's probably texting and driving. That's what this guy is probably doing, is texting and driving. Like, wow. But yeah, every day, like I could probably do like a 5 or 6 minute video easy every day, just on dumb people driving, which I'm gonna start trying to do. And then, ooh, everybody's gonna start braking now. Funny, this guy in front of us is like weaving back and forth on the lane, and then he didn't even hit the brake. It's kind of funny. Oh, on the other side, the highway is being blocked by the snow plows, and the blades are not even down. They're just putting ice, I think. At least that's what it looks like, just icing. They're not even doing 60 kilometers almost. Look at this guy. Not even. Wow. People cannot drive, bro. Cannot drive today. Scared drivers. Scared drivers. That's going to be the thumbnail for this one. Is scared drivers, man. Too hesitant to hit the gas and go. It's not that bad, like, honestly. Just a little bit at the start, but other than this, it's basically just go. A little slower speed on the corner here. Just in case if there's ice, it is -1. That was a pretty loud wiper. let's just stay on the highway for now. Keep it boogieing.